buttcoin statues for the Easter egg hunt. The red versus blue prop hunt and boat battle. So let's go.
Yes, they added it.
I'm in red. Did come up as me in blue when I joined.
I need a key. Good job. So I'm just gonna.
Oh yeah, I
Can
need
speed
ammo.
run this.
Check the back.
Got one.
Wait, oh
Right
yeah.
there.
Wait, you're on blue team.
A red key?
Someone's already coming. Think fast!
Right here.
Oh yeah. I don't have any.
Right here. And I need to quickly die so we can get to the next ones.
Yay!
Bro! Okay. From the entrance, you're going to want to run over here. And you got this one. And you're going to want to go. Come in. Fine. This one. Get behind the sign. And you'll find your last one. Now let me quickly get ready to go into the other map to do prop hunt.
Guess who's back?
Okay. Come right here for this one. Oh, I don't know. Got this one up.
We're in the boat, we're in the boat, we're in the boat!
We're in the ball. Everyone stop keeping
Here.
You're in the boat! Alert, alert, we are in the boat!
In the boat. I repeat, we are in the boat. We are in the.
I'm scared.
Keep on here.
Oh, where am I?
Don't put it up.
Come tag this, bro. We're up here.
Oh, it's the last one.
Game is game. He's over there. Kill me.
Hey, now that's the end of the video.
Thank you.
Bye.